Hey there! Welcome to LSV Weekly, your GTA real estate and lifestyle rundown, powered by lifestylevideos.com. From hot market trends to design wins and fails, we've got your weekly scroll-worthy recap. Thinking of buying in the softer market? Don't miss our spotlight on 5 signs a home is secretly a great deal right now. It's not always about price. Here's what to look for.
Look for terms like must sell, relocation, or seller willing to negotiate. These are signs the owner is eager to make a deal. Cosmetic fixes like paint, flooring, or outdated decor can scare off some buyers, but not you. Homes needing small updates often come at a discount. If interest rates drop or special loan programs are available, buying now could lock in a lower cost over time.
Curious to learn more? The full feature's streaming now in the Real Estate Rewired section at lifestylevideos.com. Hosting this weekend? Impress your guests with one of our most watched recipes. At lifestylevideos.com, you'll find loads of chef-inspired home meals, like this next-level lamb chop with creamy risotto and seasonal veggies. Here's a taste.
Marinated with the fresh herbs, rosemary, garlic, olive oil, and red peppercorns. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna start cutting the actual chops from the rack. For an healthy portion, we're gonna do 3 nice pieces, like so. Since we didn't season the inside, we're gonna use some salt. Touch of pepper. And a little bit of olive oil. A little nice massage, cool off. And we'll go to the grill. So we're gonna place our lamb chops on the grill, nice. For medium rare, we'll look at 3 minutes each side.
Missed a step? No problem. Get the full recipe and more crowd pleasers at lifestylevideos.com. Now imagine your next chapter in a light-filled 2-bedroom suite styled with our signature virtual staging. In LSV Stories, we explore what life could look like with space to breathe, cook, and unwind. Let's take a look.
Close your eyes for just a moment. Now picture your mornings filled with natural light, coffee in hand, and the quiet calm of your own private balcony. Welcome to your new beginning at Don Mills and Shepherd. This spacious 2-bedroom suite invites you to imagine more comfort, more connection, more you. With soaring 9-foot ceilings and smart roller blinds that respond to your rhythm, it's a home that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're hosting, relaxing, or working from home, the kitchen is as stylish as it is practical. Sleek stainless steel appliances, clean lines, and space to move, to create, to gather. Here, the everyday feels elevated. Each bedroom offers a place to recharge, unwind, and dream. Picture soft evenings with the windows cracked open, city sounds in the distance, and your own curated corner of calm.
For the full short film, What Home Could Be, head to the LSV Stories section at lifestylevideos.com. This week's Daily Snap. Condo and detached sales in Vaughan are cooling off, but homes are selling faster. Is the buyer's market finally here? And over in Real Estate Rewired, rent-to-own is no longer just a buzzword. It's a real strategy for GTA buyers. Check out our new feature on rent-to-own with confidence. Here's a preview.
For many buyers, rent-to-own offers real advantages: time to save, time to fix credit, time to adjust to home ownership responsibilities like maintenance and property taxes before taking on a full mortgage. But rent-to-own isn't a magic fix. It comes with risks and fine print. What happens if you can't qualify for a mortgage at the end of your term? What if the home's market value drops? Or if the seller changes terms midway?
Want the full scoop? From market updates to design inspo and top 10 picks, it's all waiting for you at lifestylevideos.com. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next week, right here on LSV Weekly.